Hello, everyone. Summer is finally here, and I'm out hiking again. The air is cool and refreshing, and I love to see the sunlight casting its warmth over the patches of greenery. As I walk through the forest, I'm reminded of a conversation I had many years ago. After experiencing some losses in my life, someone suggested that I go into nature and find comfort among the trees and the flowers. During my loss, this advice gave me little comfort. I wondered how looking at the trees and the flowers would restore what was lost or solve anything. I can't quite understand why I felt this way, but back then I was very driven and goal-oriented and constantly fighting the inner turmoil that I would fail in life, and this prevented me from feeling the comfort that I desperately needed. However, after years of wandering through the forest, of knowing the trails a little better than knowing the streets in the city, I can honestly say that it was probably inspired advice. During times of loss, or even changes in life, which can often feel like losses too, I don't think there's anything anyone can do to make it feel better. Oftentimes, we cannot restore what was lost, at least not fully, and sometimes the words people say, which are meant to console and comfort, can make it hurt even more. It could bring on shame or humiliation, and we are left wondering what we did to deserve such a fate in life, or we're filled with the never-ending whys that never seem to get answered. But the trees and the flowers and the earth, they speak in a very different way. And when we are open to the message, they'll show us. They aren't immune to change and loss. And if we were looking for someone to commiserate with, I'd say we were in quite good company, with someone well acquainted with loss and change. In fact, each new season brings changes of life and of death simultaneously occurring. And yet somehow, nature handles its losses and its changes so graciously and beautifully. Perhaps we don't need to take on that shame. Perhaps we too can handle our losses with grace and dignity. Until next time, please take care of yourself.